Welcome again to another little episode of Cindy's Kitchen.
Hey,
We're gonna make some fudge brownies made with dark cocoa. So what's
Dutch cocoa?
Well, what Dutch cocoa means is it's a lighter version of the dark chocolate. It's lighter.
Oh.
And
like a milder taste.
It's a milder taste and it's lighter. It's not that darker. That's what Dutch means. So you guys know I talked about the pet food before. So if you guys want to try it out, just click the link below. It's Life's Abundance for All, and you're gonna find there dog food for puppies, for little puppies, for medium-sized dogs, for large dogs, for adult dogs, for old dogs, for cats, for birds.
Yeah.
For people.
That's right.
All the vitamins.
Plant-based.
Plant-based.
Non-GMO. Grain-free.
Grain-free.
All the good stuff that your dogs, cats, and birds want.
But anyways, with that said,
back to the recipe.
Let's make our fudge brownies. What I did was I took some butter
from the fridge
and spread it on the pan. Put my my oven on 350. We're gonna bake these for 25 to 28 minutes.
25 to 28?
So what we're gonna do, is 2 tablespoons of water.
All right.
I put it in there already.
All right. Let me see that spoon.
Here. See?
All right. Yep.
Is that 1 tablespoon, Mike?
That is 1 tablespoon.
All right.
Faded away.
And then 1/3 cup of canola oil.
All right. Wow, that's shiny.
Mm-hmm. It's supposed to be shiny. Shiny. And our fudge brownies.
Oh, yeah.
Put it in there. And what else?
1 egg.
1 egg.
To fluff it up.
And what do you do now? Michael, here, put that in the garbage.
Mix it up.
And then we're going to mix this up. And I'm going to use my left hand here.
Because she's a lefty.
Mm-hmm. And you know
You're
how
lefty?
good I am? Yeah, I'm a lefty.
She's a lefty.
I've always been a lefty.
Guys, comment in the comment section down below.
God,
Are you a lefty or are you a righty?
Well, who cares?
Well, we're going to see who has more.
Whatever arm that you develop, that you like do everything with, it'll be stronger than the other. Like if I go like this, I can go like this more than this one. This is my right, this is my left. So I have more strength, of course, on my left side of my body than my right side of the body.
Right, because you use that more often.
That said, we're gonna keep on. You see how it's a little bit lighter than the other one?
It smells really good.
Of course it does. So, I think that's about it, right, Mike?
Mix. Mix it all up. Yep. As long as you have your pan and your mix,
and now what are we gonna do?
You have brownies for the whole family.
Now we're gonna put it here.
And how much did this cost?
Now we're gonna spread it. It was like what was it? Like $1.28, Mike?
I think it was on like $1.18.
$1.18. We usually
I don't really count
tax. Go to the supermarket. We don't like to buy expensive stuff, do we, Mike?
No expensive.
Michael,
no
you wanna
expensive.
Like this?
No.
You don't.
Maybe a little.
Okay.
Well, you know what?
You want to taste?
Hold on, wait. I want everyone to see.
Put your finger in there. That's Michael's finger because I cannot have.
I know they say, guys, don't
lick
the cake mix. Don't try this at home.
Well, sometimes you gotta lick a pan. You lick that pan to make sure that cake. And then here I'm gonna do this to spread it in the pan, as you can see. Okay? That way it's all evenly distributed. Okay? Right, Mike?
That's right.
And then, see? Once it's like that, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna throw it in the oven. Put it right in the middle, you see? So it can cook evenly. And we're gonna come back and let's put the minutes, Michael. What is cook time, right? Where is 28 minutes, so you wanna do 30, Michael?
At least 30.
Yeah. See if it goes faster. Oh, there you go. And start. 30 minutes. And with that said, don't forget to subscribe. And you know what to do. Like us on Instagram, on Twitter. Like us on Facebook. Follow us on Facebook. Sorry. And Google Plus and all them other places that we are. We're all over one. YouTube, all over the place. So with that said, don't forget to come back so you guys can see how our Dutch brownies are going to come out. They're going to come out delicious, let me tell you. And with that said, don't go away. Don't drink and drive. If you're going to drink, stay home. So you got to come right back. See you soon. Taking them out. And in 5 minutes, we'll be back. And they'll be cut up in tiny little pieces. Michael will try one. Over and out. So we're back. So this is our Dutch brownie, right? You see it's lighter. The chocolate is milder. That means it has a lighter texture. You think
Tell me I get the first one.
Well,
Do you guys, in the comment section down below, do you like the corner pieces or the middle pieces?
I'm gonna make little pieces like this, and then
Oh, those are my favorite.
like this.
Mm-hmm,
What do you think? Is that
very
good the
little,
size?
even smaller than that.
No, but
Like
not
that one you
smaller
just
than
cut,
that.
you should cut it again. No?
What we're gonna do here? Michael's gonna have a piece of our Fudge
Whoa.
brownie, a piece.
Whoa.
Yeah, Michael, what do you think?
Put another one on there. Whoa.
There. And voila. So, you want some whipped cream? We don't have any whipped cream.
Whipped cream.
Oh, I don't know. You gotta take a fork. So with that said, guys, you guys know what to do, right? Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, on Twitter. Like us on Facebook. Look for us on Pinterest, on Google+. Of course, on YouTube self. And this little piece, you see how dense and how pretty it looks. So I'm going to take this. You guys going to follow this. And we're going to put it on Michael's mouth. Here you go, Michael.
Well, you got to hold the camera.
Well, okay. I'm going to hold the camera.
Okay, hello.
So, Michael, here's Michael.
Hi,
Michael, go
everyone.
ahead and eat that, Michael. So, Michael's going to be eating that delicious brownie right there. Michael, you're cut into that. And as you can see, delightful. And that's Fudge. You see? So, it's delicious. And with that said, we're going to tell you guys, don't drink and drive. It's a long weekend. We'll see you tomorrow, another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. And that's Michael on the shoeing. And I'm going to go like this. Hold on, Michael. I'm going to try to hold it for both of us. We love you. Peace out. Don't drink and drive. See you tomorrow for another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. Over and out.
Yeehaw.